Have you ever opened your WordPress dashboard and felt like you're staring into a junk drawer? Plugins everywhere, half of them you don't remember installing, a few screaming at you with red update warnings. And you're thinking, do I actually need any of this? Is this why my site is slow? If that sounds familiar, stick around because today I'm breaking down the exact plugins I installed on every small business website I work on. Not a massive list, not shiny toys, just the ones that keep your site fast, secure, and headache-free without making things confusing. Hey, I'm Rob McDonald. I help small business owners build WordPress sites that just work. No stress, no confusion, and no plugin chaos. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Small business websites don't fail because the owner is bad at technology. They fail because no one ever explained which plugins actually matter and which ones just make things worse. So let's fix that today. Your website is like your workspace. Plugins are your tools. A few high-quality tools that you use every day? Amazing. 40 random gadgets you bought just in case. That's when clutter builds, confusion starts, and things break. The goal is simple. Use fewer plugins. Choose the right ones. Avoid setups that make your site harder to understand or manage. Let's start with security. Plugins like WordPress or Security are my picks. Small business sites actually get attacked more than big companies because hackers assume your guard is down. A good security plugin protects your logins, blocks bad traffic, and keeps your site from turning into a confusing mess overnight. Next are backups. This is really important. Backups are your undo button. Without them, one bad update can leave you locked out and confused about whatever happened. With automated backups in place, you click restore and move on with your day. My pick here is Updraft Plus. It's easy to set up and can be configured to back up your site weekly or daily. You can even set it up to backup files to a popular server like Amazon or Google. There are several options for this. Now speed and caching. Plugins like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache. A slow site feels broken and confusing to visitors. Fast sites feel trustworthy and intentional. Speed directly impacts SEO, conversions, and how professional your business looks online. For SEO, tools like Rank Math or Yoast help search engines understand your site. Yoast has been around for a while and is very dependable. Rank Math is fairly new, but is very effective as well. I have used both on websites. You don't need to become an SEO expert. These plugins guide you so your pages, titles, and structure aren't confusing to Google. Clear structure means better visibility. Forms are where money actually comes from. Plugins like WP Forms or Fluent Forms make sure messages actually come to you. I have used both of these on sites, but I really like Fluent Forms. You can get a lot of features with just the free version, but it's well worth purchasing the premium version. Nothing is more confusing than thinking your website works while leads quietly disappear into the background. Booking plugins remove small back and forth and scheduling confusion. Instead of 5 emails and time zone issues, people pick a time it's booked and you're done. Simple systems always win. Amelia or Bookly are good choices here. If you're doing e-commerce, there are 2 that I recommend. If you sell only digital products, then Easy Digital Downloads is highly recommended. If you sell physical products, go with WooCommerce. Both are great plugins, and I usually install one or the other, depending on the type of products are being sold. These plugins smooth out checkout and product searches. Confusing checkout experiences kill sales faster than high prices. Clear buying paths convert. Email integrations connect your forms directly to your email list so nothing slips through the cracks. A lead signs up, they get a welcome email automatically, and your automation runs quietly in the background. Images are one of the biggest hidden speed problems. Oversized images slow pages and make your site feel broken. Image optimization plugins fix this automatically without you having to think about it. Imagify, Short Pixel, or Smush are good plugins for this. Maintenance matters long term. Database cleanup plugins remove clutter WordPress collects over time. Less clutter means fewer surprises and fewer "what is this" moments later. I like WP Optimize for this. It will keep your database clean. The redirects plugin prevents dead ends. Anytime you delete or rename a page, redirects guide visitors and Google to the right place. Dead ends confuse users and hurt trust. Okay, there are also plugins that I avoid. These plugins are the ones that have not been updated in a while. And you can usually tell when you go to the plugin page, you can see when it was last updated. If that plugin hasn't been updated in 6 months to a year, I would probably avoid it. The other thing is adding plugins that duplicate features you already have. Any plugins claim to do everything, and any that adds complexity without real benefit. If a plugin makes your site harder to understand, it doesn't belong. Okay, so let's recap. You don't need more plugins. You need clear systems, security, backups, speed, SEO, forms, booking, and maintenance. Each plugin should make your site simpler, clearer, and easier to manage, not more confusing. And if your dashboard already feels like a junk drawer, schedule a quick strategy call with me. We'll clean it up and build a WordPress setup that actually supports your business instead of confusing you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.